microwave. Transits, heater, Apple Play when the phone's on it, dash, mirror, TV, tachograph, switches, lights, front grid. Ow. Here we get the control, and we go level, the powder going down, turn that up and put it back. Big thing. What's that? Oh, handbrake. Happy now? See you soon. Bye bye.
Chewy, let's go. City break or a beach escape? Lovely. Fly from your local airport?
Taxi's here.
Handy. Any day of the week? Ideal. On a TUI flight or a partner airline?
This is your captain speaking.
Nice. How many nights? 3, 5, 14? Perfect. More options, more choice. All wrapped up with a TUI smile. TUI. Live happy. Atoll and APTA protected. Booking T's and C's apply.
'Twas Christmas, and Puss asked his magical mirror on the wall.
Where will I find beauty gifts that top them all?
Oh, Puss, why in Boots, of course, replied the mirror. Puss found the shelves brimming with magical fragrances, beauty must-haves, and the latest skincare. But oh, what to choose? Well, thanks to a Boots advisor on hand, or poor, Puss left with the most perfect gift.
Right off. Walk round, all the lights are working. Easy job. tick. Purple eyes today. Thought we'll put purple on Frelly. She up a bit. Okay, darling? See you soon. Bye.